Hello, hi everyone. Today we are here with Faith. She's called Faith Nuvira. She's from Kagadi district. We are here with Faith at my home. Sometime back, she called me. She had a problem. Her house was falling down, and she told me that I have nowhere to sleep now. I don't have money. Then I told her, okay, let me talk to my friends. And I reached out to Rise, and they told me that, okay, if Faith is in that condition, let us teach her the skills of learning baskets. So Rise paid for her transport, and she came. She started learning how to make baskets so that she can be able to earn money to help herself and her children. And I told her that I help myself by making baskets. So you also get this opportunity to learn baskets. She has 5 children, but she's then a single mother. As you see her, she's the one who take care of each and everything at her home. She just goes to someone who's garden and dig per day so that she can earn something for children. She dig per day so that she can get food. If she goes to someone's garden, she dig, then they give her some Irish potato or potato. Then she brings them up there and cooks for the children. Kati, osuubira bino ebibbo bw'onaabiyiga bigenda kuyamba bitya? She said she's very excited to learn these baskets because she will be able to earn money even at her village, because people, they don't know how to make them, but she hopes when she make them, they can also buy them from her, because it will be a new product in their village also. So that's the way she's going to be empowered, and by you guys who buys our products. So expecting new products from Faith, Rise will bring them to you. So Faith, kati ennyumba obadde wagizingisa ki? So she used the soil and some trees to build the house. So when the wind comes, bad luck, it falls down. So ennyumba yo bwe yakola wakola otya mbeera wakati?
Okusooka nakubira mukenda.
So when her house fell down, she was stuck. She didn't know what to do. Then she went to the chairman of the village and tell him what happened to her. Then the chairman gave her a job of digging in his garden, and he gave her some money. Then she rent for 2 months. That's where they live now. Now she's saying that as long as she has learned to make baskets, now she feels joy, she feels like she's happy. She'll be able to help her children to go back to school. So now she feels like she has hope in basket weaving. She no longer work hard as in the garden the whole day. Because even me, I was in such a situation, But now I am happy that I'm able to even help others to learn how to make baskets, because it has been my happiness of making these baskets. Because when I make baskets, you guys, you buy them from Rise. So I would like to give this opportunity to my friend here, Faith, so that she can be able to help her children and herself.
kandi bakuru b'iki bariko ubundi barindira kuzinga ku kyalo nibaza katonda abantu bakugusa.
She also said thank you so much, Rise, by sending her some posts without knowing that she will be able to make such beautiful things, but you supported her through that. She's so grateful. She's so happy that she's even able to buy food for her children. Thank you so much. Our customers, so many beautiful things are coming. As you see, they are here. They are so beautiful. There are so many. So soon it is going to be there. So wait for them. Thank you so much.